Offshore jobs are usually located in remote or far locations. And there is a very wide range of positions that people doesn't even imagine because of this. For example, we have people like divers who work mostly in the sea, but we also have people like software managers who are mostly on land. Now, there are many more opportunities. For example, if we think of the marine biologists, they are maybe more in the lab or doing some research. And there is also the magic of combining the both parts, so both sea and land, for positions like the cable manager for the installation of a wind farm. There is really an opportunity for everyone with many different backgrounds and education. So it can be from people who have attended university, but those also who have just gone to a technical school. The key here is that everyone has the same opportunity to find a fulfilling and very enjoyable job.